Akers here, the tie guy. Today we're going to be tying a Canali tie, and we're pairing that with a Canali shirt. Now, Canali is a new tie brand to me as far as wearing it. Just been last couple months started wearing Canali. Not a new brand to me. I've had some of the shirts. I'm familiar with the brand. Very good quality Italian brand. But I don't know. In my head, I just saw Canali as a step down from like a Zegna or a Ferragamo because their price point's a little bit lower. But I was so shocked and surprised with the quality of the ties when I bought a couple to test out because I was doing these videos. And I was very impressed. So I bought some more of them. And I got to tell you, man, their quality ranks right up there. When you tie this tie, it feels great. So today the tie we're going to be tying, it's a Canali, and it is brown. And it has some little tiny geometric patterns that look like, they look more like a blue, kind of some little blue squares. So we're pairing that with a blue Canali shirt, but this shirt has some white stripes. And I don't do a lot of striped shirts with odd geometric ties, but I feel like this is a subtle enough geometric pattern that I can pull it off with a striped shirt with no problem at all. As far as the review goes, the Canali ties, they lay really nice. This is a thicker tie. It's definitely thicker than like a Ferragamo. It's a very soft, smooth silk, and if it ties anything like the other Canali ties, it's going to feel good. So let's tie it up and see what it feels like, see what it looks like coming together. I always found my spot. With this being a thicker tie, it's probably going to be right in this range right here. So we're going to take the long part of the tie, over top, behind, up and through. We're tying a Windsor knot. That's the type of knot I tie. Then we go back in behind, up and over, and through. This is what I call the checkpoint. We're looking here to make sure our triangle is coming together. It's kind of like the halfway point in the tie. Then we take over the front, back behind, through, and then we've created this little pocket in the front. We're going to push the tie down through. We're going to hold the top of the pocket, pull the tie. Now we're going to make some adjustments. This is where we really get our tie nice and neat. You hold onto the knot and pull on the long part to tighten the knot. You hold the knot and pull on the short part to bring it up to your collar, to your neck. And now we want to check for the length of it. We want this tie, we want the tip of this tie, this part right here, to come somewhere between the top and the bottom of the belt buckle. And right now, that's where we're at. We're coming right around halfway. It's absolutely perfect. Let's pull this collar down. Let's take a look, see what it looks like. Tie's really nice, feels good. So I think I told you before, I've become a Canali fan just because of tying a tie. I really have. And I mean, I'm not going to say it's my favorite brand. You know, you probably know what my favorite brand is because my dog's named after it. But it's very, very good quality tie. So, of course, I don't really do a lot of favorites as far as brands go. I just like certain things. Okay, so we've got us a nice tight triangle here. We've got us a nice, the knot looks good. The tie comes together real nice. It's tied right. So the look is going to be scrolling across the bottom of your screen. But let's put this all together, and I'm going to go over the look with you. Okay, so we're wearing a brown Hermes Zegna Suit. We're wearing a blue Canali shirt with white stripes, a brown Canali tie with some blue geometric patterns pulling out of the shirt. We're in a brown Salvatore Ferragamo belt with a gunmetal belt buckle and a pair of brown Salvatore Ferragamo Oxford dress shoes. If you go to my Instagram, it's down at the bottom of your screen, Tie Guy James Akers, you'll see close-ups of the tie, close-ups of the shoes with the belt, selfies of me wearing the tie, close-ups of the knot, everything else there. But I am ready for work.